while President Aquino vows to push for the victory of Escudero, Legarda, and Polia Manzares and the other administration senatorial candidates. The president stressed that the three has the full support of the administration coalition. At the same time, the president denied using government money for the provincial election campaign sorties of administration senatorial candidates. Here's Rocky Ignacio.
President Aquino is not surprised with the decision of the United Nationalist Alliance or UNA to drop re-electionist senators Chis Escudero and Loren Legarda and former MTRCB chair Grace Poe from their slate. In an interview in Iloilo City, the president respects the decision of UNA, saying the political party is free to do what it wants. The president earlier said that he wants Team Pinoy to have a clearer platforms for the electorate.
Talaga namang nung araw pa namin niyakap itong tatlong kandidatong tumbuong-buo, no? Figuratively. And, so, yung wala kaming sinasabi sa gustong gawin na una, may demokrasya tayo, bahala sila. No? Basta kami, todo kayod kami sa amin, lahat ng kasama. Dahil paniwala namin, tumakasama namin, talagang magsusulong. And remember, no, 6-year term, so even by the time that I stepped out of office, these are the people who can continue the transformation of our country. Therefore, it behooves me to really push and press and campaign as much as possible for each and everyone.
The president also ruled out any breakup in the coalition of Liberal Party and the Nationalist People's Coalition for Team Pinoy. President Aquino was reacting to reports that MPC will not support the candidacy of Bam Aquino, Ramon Magsaysay, and Jambi Madrigal. But the president clarifies that he was already assured by his uncle Tarlac Representative Henrico Huanco that the coalition would hold.
Talk to my cousin, no? He's my second cousin. He's I think he speaks, if at all, no, for their party in Pangasinan. So the perspective is more local, but the coalition is national. I had occasion to talk to my uncle Henry Huanco, who is the head of the delegation to the House, and he assures me that there is no change within the relationship. And I think they will be clearing this up once the party president comes back, no? Former Representative Jundi.
President Aquino was in Iloilo with Team Pinoy to launch vital development projects in the Visayas. The president reassured that no single centavo of public funds was utilized for the campaign, but he hopes that his critics will not demand to leave his presidential security group behind during sorties. The PSG is mandated to protect and secure the president.
We don't spend the people's money carelessly. So pag purely political rallies, no, hindi dapat kasama. Except of course, sasabihin ng kritiko, as proof. Yung PSG nagsisecure, nagsisweldo dyan, gobyerno. So, unless they are requiring me to leave the PSG during a political rally, no, siguro palagi the expenses. No. I have certain staff, no, who always accompany me, and there might be government employees. Hopefully, no, they are not being accused of partisan activities, but they help me in the performance of my functions as president.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.